Skoda Auto is completing the top end of its all-electric SUV series by launching the new Enyaq L&K. This variant, named after the Czech car company's founders, Václav Laurin and Václav Klement, is distinguished by specific exterior and interior design features and comes with a particularly comprehensive range of standard equipment. The rear-wheel drive Enyaq L&K 85 and the Enyaq L&K 85X with all-wheel drive deliver a system output of 210 kilowatts. They offer an increased range of up to 570 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, along with battery charging times, from 10 to 80% in less than 30 minutes. The Enyaq L&K is the first Skoda model to feature a new user interface for enhanced ease of use, with updated graphics that reflect the new Skoda CI. The Skoda Enyaq L&K marks the debut of a new battery and drive package. It offers an increased output of 210 kilowatts, better acceleration, and a longer range. The rear-wheel drive Enyaq L&K 85 goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in 6.7 seconds, which is almost 2 seconds faster than the previous rear-wheel drive Enyaq 480. The top speed is now 180 kilometers per h, and the maximum range on the WLTP cycle has risen even further to 570 kilometers. The Enyaq L&K 85X with all-wheel drive accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 6.6 seconds, and its range is up to 550 kilometers. The battery's charging curve has been optimized. It allows the Enyaq L&K to be charged from 10 to 80% of its capacity in less than 30 minutes. For the interior of the Enyaq L&K, Skoda Auto offers customers a choice of 2 specific design selections. The design selection L&K shell with beige leather upholstery is standard. The optional L&K Black features black leather. The front seats with ventilation and massage functions, which are exclusive to the L&K version, are included as standard in both versions.